Hello, I'm going to show you how to work out GST on your basic price all over again. So you got a basic price. So suppose you got a soup, which is, so let's say soup, and it's costing you $2.33 to make it. So this includes the basic food cost only, nothing else, just the food cost to make it. So this $2.33. Now we need to add 15% GST to it. So how do we do that? So we just got this one, we got 15%. Now we have added text to it. So add and GST, that's why it will not calculate. So if we write 15% here, and we now know that we have to add 15% to this 2.33, so I just add a plus sign here. I pick up this figure and then I say multiply, and I say just multiply by 15%, and I just say enter. So it gives me 15% of $2.33. Now I have to add these two figures to get the figure which is going to be called selling price. So I'll add these two, just that little sum button there, and it gives me $2.67. Basically I can't price it at 267, so if I price it, let's say rounding off 2.70, that is my price, which is the selling price of my soup, which is inclusive of GST. And work out one more example from your sheet here. It says work out the basic price is $22.40, and you need to add 15%. So what you do is you just come to your cell here, put a plus sign, and just say 22.40 times 15, shift button 15%. Oops, sorry, my cursor went up. Just take that out, plus 22.40 times 15%. Just add, so that's $3.36 is 15% of 22.40. So if I say 22.40, let's say 22.40 here at the bottom, and then add these two together. So if we add these two together, let's give it a little color, let's give it a pink color, and say sum total, and it's going to be 25.76, and that's your inclusive of GST price. So that's should come here 22.76, sorry, 25.76. We'll do another example. Suppose something is costing you $979, and you need to add 15% to it. So just say 15% on the side, and this is the cell you want to calculate. So add equal to sign or a plus sign, and then you pick up your figure from there and say times, and just say 15%, say enter, and that's $146.85, which is 15% on top of 979. And let's add these two figures together, give it a different color just for clarity of understanding, and just add sum total, and it says 1125.85, and that is your price inclusive of GST. So this is how you take it out, and just do a reverse calculation for understanding something which is being sold in the market for 1125.85 cents, and the question is that what is the GST part in this 1125.85. So what you do is you just put a plus sign, pick up this figure and divide that by 115, because we all know that 1125.85 is made of 115 parts. 100 is a basic price, 15 is percentage of GST, and when press enter, so this 9.79 is what we've got, is actually one part of 115. Now if we multiply this, sorry, if we multiply 9.79 times 100, we will get a basic price which is same as this one, and if we multiply 9.79 by 15, we'll get the GST component of it, which is 146.85. So this is called a reverse method of checking your answer is correct or not. And if you total these two again, sum total should be 1125.85. So try that out, and thank you for watching this video.